So the first of the properties that we want to learn about today is something called the product of powers property. The product of powers property simply helps you to multiply things with the same base. A to the x times a to the y equals a to the x plus y. In order for you to use the product of powers property, the bases must be the same in order for this to be applicable. Let's look at some examples. In the following four examples, we'll use the product of powers property to simplify these expressions. In the first example, x to the third times x to the fourth, that would simply be x to the seventh. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 to the second times 4 to the fifth becomes 4 to the seventh because 2 plus 5 is 7. Notice that we don't change the bases, even if they're numbers. We don't multiply 4 by 4 to make this 16. The base remains the same. N to the fourth times n to the eighth, that simply becomes n to the 12th. 4 plus 8 is 12. 5 to the fifth times 5 to the ninth, well, that would be 5 to the 14th. And that's the product of powers property.